Hey guys, I'm back again after the 10th to 15th hiatus pause. I don't know, I feel like I'm always pausing for one reason or another, but I am finally back. I'm not gonna say I'm finally back because I'm probably gonna do it again, so let's just not assume that this is gonna be a final return because probably it's not. I'm gonna stop filming at some point again, but today I have for you the February Birchbox and it's now April. So that shows you how little I have been filming this year, which goes against my New Year's resolution. But I have the February Birchbox. This month's box was the decades. You were supposed to choose a theme for this month. You could choose either 70s, 80s or 90s box. I chose the 90s because I am a 90s girl. 1991. So I chose the 90s box, and honestly it is the box that looked cuter to me, so I chose this one. True beauty is timeless. That's the theme of this month's February's month's Birchbox. It's already April. I'm becoming terrible at this. I've never been good, but now I'm becoming terrible at this. First thing, and this is supposed to be the full size product, is the Beauty Corp eyeshadow trio in Latte. Huh, great pun, or not really. And this is supposed to retail for £7. This is supposed to be the full-size product. There has been one color in everybody's eye. I can't even do the voice anymore, that's how long I've not been filming. And cheeks and lips in the 90s, brown. Luckily, espresso colored shades have really stood the test of time, as demonstrated by this coffee-inspired palette. Containing 3 earthy tones, these shadows are packed with coffee extracts to brighten. Does this actually have coffee? Honestly, I don't know if this smells like coffee. Does it? Do I know how to open it? It does not smell like coffee. Use all 3 for a soft smoky finish or individually to add subtle depth and definition. So this is what the shades look like. Very 90s, very coffee tones. I haven't even swatched them yet. I have this for 2 months and I haven't even swatched them yet. So let me just, well, oh, alright. Okay. I mean, the shimmer shades are not that bad. They're not that bad, the shimmer shades. The matte shade is a little patchy, but the 2 shimmer ones are actually quite nice. Actually a good surprise. Now I have eyeshadow everywhere. Next product, and I haven't tried it, honestly. I'm probably not gonna try it. It's the ModelCo, again another full size green concealer. These retails for £14. Previously the domain of pro makeup artists, it was in the 90s that color corrected went mainstream, with major makeup brands releasing green concealers that nobody had a clue what to do with. It might look scary, but this stuff contracts redness for more even complexion. Just blend a small amount onto any areas of your skin that need a little toning down, then apply the usual concealer or foundation on top. This works almost like a primer, just in the form of crayon. You put it on whatever you have red areas. The reason why I haven't tried it, and the reason why I don't want to try it, is just because I don't like this type of crayons. They're too oily on my skin. My skin is an oily mess. You could probably fry an egg on it on a very hot summer's day, so I really don't want to put more oily stuff on it. I don't. So that's the reason why I really don't want to try it. Next we have Percy and Read, quite frankly flawless finishing finishing polish. These retails normally for £10. Is this full size? No, but I feel like this is quite a big sample size. It has 30 ml, so I do feel like it's quite a nice sample size. This is what it looks like. I like the girl, she looks very posh. Whether you were rocking poker straight strands or a high ponytail secured with a scrunchie, the hairstyles of the 90s were all about that high shy finish. Today's lightweight styler is packed with horse chestnut to keep your do in place without leaving stiff and greasy, and sunflower wax for a gentle injection of moisture, just to work a small amount through hair to soothe and define finish style and add shine. So what I do use this is when I finish straightening my hair, I just take just a tiny little bit of it, just rub it on my hands, and just work my way into those little hairs that just stick out everywhere, you know what I mean? Like when you have those hairs that are like, and you cannot know what to do with it. So instead of putting hairspray, hair gel, this stuff actually leaves your hair pretty lightweight, if you don't use it too much obviously, but as with any product. So I just put a little bit and try to smooth out the hairs that are like all over the place. I don't feel like it gives me extra shine. I don't feel like it gives me extra smoothness. I think it just works really for the hairs that just go all over the place. Every direction but down, really. Next product, and this is a product that I absolutely loved and I'm obsessed, and I need to buy the full size like right now, and this is the Luseta coconut milk hair mask. This is what it looks like. Normal retails for £32. It is quite expensive for a hair mask, but oh boy, this stuff, like, it works a lot. Like, the first time that I tried it, I was amazed because my hair, since I bleach my hair, and I'm sure you know that mess, you know, at some point I had really damaged bleached hair. You've seen, if you follow this channel long enough, even if you don't want to go look it up because you've seen videos of my hair that's completely fried, but ever since that happened, my hair just has been, well, my hair hasn't really been that great to begin with, but it hasn't been minimally good, like it doesn't. But with this stuff, guys, can you see how nice it looks? Like, can you actually see a difference about how nice it looks? It's so smooth, so soft, so smooth. We haven't used that word in a while, haven't we? It's still smooth, and it's amazing. I know it's quite expensive, £32, but I am willing to give that price for a product that actually works, because I have this philosophy that you might as well just give it a little bit more money for something that actually works instead of trying to save up and just doing nothing really. So might as well just, you know, push it a little bit. So teasing your do into throwback styles might be fun, but between the hairspray, the backhand bang, I don't know what ice on that was, your hair will likely be left in need of a TLC. Enter this nourishing treatment designed to repair understructure. Apply generally to damp hair after shampooing, leave it for up to 5 minutes and then rinse away. The mix of fatty acids and vitamins will leave your strands soft, silky and protected. This stuff is amazing, just it is amazing. Plus it smells, oh my God, it smells so nice. It doesn't stay on the hair, like the smell doesn't stay on the hair, which is the only thing that I'm a little bit sad about, but your hair will look amazing with this. Like, it's amazing, I'm not even joking. Last thing is the Marcelle Gentle Makeup Remover. We have featured Marcelle on the Birchbox. I think it was a eyeliner crayon, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure we have featured this brand before. Gentle Makeup Remover 1415 is the ones that has like 2 stages, like it's an oily and watery thingy. However much fun you've had recreating your favorite throwback beauty look, there comes a time when you must take it all off again. When you don't want your makeup to put up a fight, reach for this highly effective yet also gentle makeup remover. The hypoallergenic formula whisks away all traces of the day, plus cucumber and green tea diminish dark circles and puffy eyes. I have mixed feelings about this. For once, it does take your makeup off quite nicely, but it leaves a weird film on my face. It just feels very greasy. Not even greasy, I don't know, like, because it has like the oils, you know, it just leaves my hair a little bit, not even oily, but like, yeah, maybe greasy. So I don't like it. I would always recommend that I have to wash my face again. So yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like about it, but it does take my makeup quite easily, so props for that. And that was it. That was my February Birchbox. It's April now, which is crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys haven't totally forgot about me, because I haven't filmed in, what is it now, 2 months? I think you're probably used to it by now that I just don't film as regularly as I should. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tell me down in the comments which product is your favorite. If you're interested in trying any of them, subscribe if you're not already. Let's be friends. Put a like on it, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully. Bye.